Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the total power added to the room. The fan is powered by a motor with 66% efficiency. The shaft power is 0.51 horsepower. The answer is C, 0.576 kilojoules per second. We can skip step 1. There is no free body diagram. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. We given the shaft power and the efficiency. We want to find the energy rate, which is power. Step 3, find the power formula. So E dot is equal to the power of the shaft, W dot shaft, divided by the efficiency. Step 4, find the efficiency. First, we're going to convert horsepower to kilowatts. So this is the conversion factor. So we'll get 0.380307 kilowatts. So this 0.380 kilowatts divided by 66%, this will give us 0.576 kilowatts. Kilowatt is a 1-to-1 ratio to kilojoules per second, and we get 0.576 kilojoules per second for our total energy added to the room. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this on Mac. Use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.